Here I come, phenomenal spotlight stealer. I'm glamorous, so gorgeous, turning 10,000 looks. Spicing up this runway, gonna do it my way.
Very young, energetic, and fabulous lady. Dalawang po natin, Ma'am Helen Palillo.
Cause I'm here to celebrate. Bring all the boys who wants to join. Let's go and make some.
Ma'am Sarah, ang munting prinsesa. Ayan, dito kayo mga malita. Pangalan niyo, ma'am? Helen. Grabe sa mga. O, sabi ko, yung kanina, black or color gold? Ano ba, nanalo na ba? Yes, ma'am. Kahit ano lang, okay ka na lang. Wow, sige. So now, let's hear the message.
Good evening and welcome to our very intimate gathering. I don't know, I don't know what to say really. You know, growing up, when I was a child, ano masyado si mama, no, mahigpit, mataaray. Pero ngayon, ako na mahigpit, ako na rin ang mataaray. You know, seriously, we really just wanted to enjoy life. You know, when she got sick with her knee a few months ago, and she had to stay in the house for weeks, I think nearly 2 months, I think, no? I saw Mama for the first time, I saw Mama looking her age. And that's not a good thing, because she always wants to look young. So I really saw the difference when she was with you guys, with her friends walking in the park, and her being alone in the house. So I'm very grateful that she has found a group of friends that she can be herself with. And my message and our message is that as long as you are happy, we will always be here to support you. And I acknowledge that the roles are reversed now. Ako na yung may pit. Because we're trying to protect you. So as long as we are here, you can be yourself, and we will always be here to protect you and to support you. Happy birthday, Mama.
Nasabi na lahat ng asawa ko, so happy birthday, ma. Yun ang masabi ko. Yun ang sabi niya, dito lang kami to support you. Happy birthday.
Your grandma. Sayo mo na, dance. Kaya. Sister, parang Taiwanese, no? Taiwanese, Chinese, Vietnamese. At lahat ng may niece na. Eto na, Sky. That's not your message to your grandmom?
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
shy. Okay, sabi niya, i-chat niya lang daw sa Facebook mamaya. Yung message niya. Maraming salamat sa chat. Sasayaw mo si Mother muna. Ayun. Ayan, naiiyak na. Guys, pagpapag po natin ha, si Ma'am Alexis Palillo versus Fox.
Tonight, we gather to celebrate a remarkable woman on her 70th birthday. I want to take a moment to share our story that truly highlights her incredible spirit and kindness. My heart feels heavy with gratitude and love as I think back to our past, Mom. I remember being so small kasi siya nag-alaga sa akin, maliit pa lang ako. And how you, despite everything we faced, you always managed to shield me with your love, even when we had little. Kasi nung maliit pa ako sometimes, ang trick namin ni Mama yung magawa kami ng mga magkotibakal kami ni Mama before. Kasi wala mag-collect kami tapos minsan pag ma-feel namin yung sack, kay happy na masyado kami pag mabenta namin siya. Ay, totoo yun. Yung trick namin before yung maliit pa ako. Tapos pag mabenta na namin kay reward niya na ako ng Jollibee. Tapos now kay iba na trip namin lashes. Okay, so even when we had so little, you made sure I felt rich in affection and care. You worked tirelessly making sacrifices that I couldn't fully understand at that time. Your strength and dedication shaped my childhood in ways I am only now beginning to appreciate. And every day, you gave more than you had. And alam ko pagod siya doon, pero hindi niya napakita sa akin. Nakasmile lang niya lagi siya. Ay, thank you for being my guiding star. Sure. Guiding star kay, partner kami ba sa pagdating sa mga love life? Medyo secret lang namin. And thank you for being the heart of our family and for always knowing how to turn even the simplest moments into cherished memories. So to celebrate you, I chose a butterfly bouquet, and each butterfly symbolizes the joy and beauty you've brought into our lives. Just as butterflies undergo beautiful transformations. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday.
Isa yun lang po. Ayun. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. So, I'll make this quite short lang kaya ako mag-cry. But anyway, we are very eternally grateful for every love, laughter, and joy that we have shared with you. From the stories that you have told me before, you showed me what strength is and what has made you a wonderful person up to this day. As you turn 70, I hope that life treats you good and may bring you good health and happiness. Thank you for everything and for always being here with us no matter what. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much for your sweet message. Dr. Angel. Sasayaw mo ba na?
Happy birthday! Nasabi na rin nila. Winyan. And Alvin. Si Mama, mabait. Pasalamat ko kay Mama kay mabait, maraming kausap, at
Ayun, ang daming mga ano ha, mga sikreto na bubulgan na yan. Ha? Pero may Galileo! Ito, no? Nagsimula ang lahat sa unang lalaki, no? Ng buhay. Lalaki anak na lang. Sayo muna sa sayo muna. Alam ko naman kayo sa sayo muna. Alright.
Wala akong masabi. Kanina ko pa iniisip kung ano sasabihin ko. Pero yun lang, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng pambuhay. Ikaitin lagi. Yun lang naman lahat eh. Sa Diyos lang naman tayo makaasa. I love you.
Here I come, phenomenal spotlight stealer. I'm glamorous, so gorgeous, turning 10,000 looks. Spicing up this runway, gonna do it my way. Wag lilingat, wag kukurap, you're queen sa isang ila. Gonna make your hair turn twice. We'll burn the stage, you better get some mind. All divine, just got the nora, di mo kaya. Agawin sila, out, aspanera. Ang divine bida, supernova, bida, burn like a lava. Ipaparada, ang corona, ang divine bida. Here I am, nararapan na naman kahit saan. Inapi noon, superstar ngayon, now it's my time to shine. I'm dressing up this runway cause I'm here to slay. Bring all the boys who wants to join, let's go and make some noise. Gonna make your hair turn twice. We'll burn this stage, you better get some eyes. Oh, divine is at the door, di mo kaya. Agaw eksena, out, aspanera. Ang divine bida, supernova, bida, burn like lava. Ipaparada ang corona. Oh, divine bida, supernova, bida, burn like lava. Ipaparada ang corona. Oh, divine bida. Divine intervention.
Aurahan ng isang palaban, mapapalingon pag kami dumadaan. Ipapati na ganumang laban sa kantahan o sayawan. Kayang-kayang makipagsabayan, game na game makipagbarbakulan. Come on guys, sino pa ba? Gandang palaban nyo, Divine Diva.
Gonna make your head turn twice. We'll burn the stage. You better get some mind. Oh, divine, set the door. Di mo kaya. Agaw eksena, out, taas bandera. Oh, divine diva, supernova, bida, burn like a lava. Ipaparada ang corona. Oh, divine diva, supernova, bida, burn like a lava. Ipaparada ang corona. Oh, divine diva, supernova, bida, burn like a lava. Ipaparada ang corona. Oh, divine diva. Stealer, I'm glamorous, so gorgeous, turning 10,000 looks. Spicing up this runway, gonna do it my way. Wag lilingat, wag kukurap, you're queen sa isang ila. Gonna make your hair turn twice. We'll burn the stage, you better get some mind. Oh, divine, just got the nora, di mo kaya.
Wow! So, next, one word for Ma'am Helen. Ano Ma'am? Okay, madalian tayo. Nandito pala si Ma'am Imelda Marcos. Oh, nandito pala. Ma'am, one word for Ma'am Helen.
Beautiful.
Yes, that's true. Ang may maling sagot po, ha? Siya magbabayad ng bill ngayon. One word for Ma'am Helen, Ma'am.
Friendly.
Yes, that's
Best friend.
best friend. Best friend kayo, Ma'am. Uy, nasabi na kanina, Ma'am. O naman, Ma'am, Gcash ko. Cash, 1,000. Sige. One word, Ma'am. Sky, one word for your grandma. Generous. Yes, that's true. Dahil dyan, Sky, magbibigay po ng
Resilient.
yes, resilient. Resilient. Ayun, malapit na po sa...
Hot.
Hot! Wow! Hot si Mama. Yes, ito naman talaga. Si Sir Mark, one word for your mom. Sige, Ma'am. Sir, one word po. TM ako, sir. TM. Smart after. Alright, smart, yes. Saskatoon. What's that? Saskatoon. Okay. Okay, sige, sir. One word. Naughty. Nag-drama si Ma'am. Dating pa dyan, naughty talaga. O, sino ba? Si Ma'am Susan Enriquez po. Ma'am, one word for Ma'am Helen. Matapang. Yes, that's true. Yes, Pastor, ito tayo. Sweet. Okay, Ma'am.
Prayerful.
Sorry. Ma'am, prayerful. Kaya pala tumagal si Ma'am ng 70 years. Ma'am, pray ka pa everyday para sige, Ma'am. Ito si Miss Pilipinas. Dito ulit ako. Huwag mong alala, hindi ka dito maging mutya sa China ka na. Ma'am, okay, one word for Ma'am Helen.
In love.
Yes, ito. Sige, meron pa ba one word dyan? Sige, dito tayo. Ito, may-ari ng Meralco, Ma'am. Kamusta po yung baby natin? Ma'am, one word for Ma'am Helen.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Si Ma'am, sino ba? Sige. Ma'am, tumayo na lang tayo. Oy, dito talaga si Ma'am. So, sige, Ma'am. Use our mic. Sige. Okay. So, kung meron tayong mansanas, meron din tayong avocado. Dito ka naman. Ma'am, one word for Ma'am Helen.
Rich. Shining, shimmering.
Yes, Ma'am. Totoo talaga yan. Rich. One word for Ma'am Helen, Ma'am.
Concern.
As in, Ma'am, nalagay din ako, Ma'am. Baka may digestive yan. Okay, Ma'am, green apple po. Si Ma'am, one word for Ma'am Helen. Millionaire! Ma'am, totoo talaga yan. Sir Nolly, one word for Ma'am Helen. Sige po. Yes, our mic.
Abbreviate ko lang. RF. Rich and famous.
Ano, Ma'am? Sige. RF pala. Sino ba? Sige, okay, Ma'am.
Always stunning.
Always stunning. Pero, pag ma-stress, always standing. Okay, Sky, another. Halika muna, hindi na mawala ng one word si Sky. Okay, Sky. One word, another one word. Reina. Reina! Ma'am! Reina daw, sabi ni Sky. Totoo naman talaga. Then last, one word, guys. Parang overtime na tayo. Ano to, si Sir? Sir, one word. Giver. Yes, talagang giver si Ma'am. Palabakan po natin si Ma'am talagang totoo yung mga pinagsasabi nyo na one word. Okay, Ma'am, my one word to you is... Kumana na lang. Ma'am, sa ating nagmamahal, dapat maging prayerful at maging helpful po, no? Pagdating ng araw dahil lahat naman tayo dito ay nagtutulungan para sa ikakaangat ng bawat isa. Tignan niyo si Ma'am. Pero kung ano nga po, sino may mga 70 years old si Ma'am Helen pa ba? Ikaw na po ba, ma'am? Ayan, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil kasi susunod na buwan, meron naman siya 70 years dyan. Sige. Ready na guys? Kaya naman, ito na! Let's all sing happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Yan naman ang sabi ng mga white bands and now let's all close. It's cheers for this very successful the opening of the 70th birthday celebration. Dahil sa susunod na taon ay nagkakaganda ang edad ni mga muli at narating tayo. There's another milestone of her life. There you go guys. Please remain standing. Yes, we witness the one cake, the candle glowing. Alright, dito na rin okay. The magical cake for my heaven. Please first now. Happy December. And happy birthday sa inyo lahat. Okay guys, yung ready na smile dito natin. Count tayo. Count down. Next. 3, 2, 1. Wala pa. Wala pa. Okay, sige ma. Blow muna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God. May the Lord God bless you. Guys, welcome to the happy 70th birthday from Helen. And
sa ating mga po, sa nakaabot ako sa ilang kumito, as in Psalms 90 verse 10, our lifespan, 70 years. And I'm very, very thankful that I'm still alive, kicking, strong, and in love. Thank you. Thank you na. Ano kayo sa kagawan ko, Pinky. Thank you for coming. Jenny. Liz and Nomi. Lina. Ivy. Thank you so much. You added life to my birthday. At sa mga kabugeras. Kabugeras. Thank you sa lahat ng effort ninyo. Thank you so much. I love you all. Wala nang masabi. Ito ang aking part din ng buhay ko, mga kabugeras. Tapos sa aking partner in crime, my Beshi, thank you so much sa lahat. Siya na ang nag-prepare nito, siya namili, siya nagbago, siya nagawa ng program, dito sa Bitcoin. Lahat ng siya lang talaga nag-asikaso. Kaya happy talaga yan. Thank you, Joe. I love you. Once again, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Lalo-lalo na sa pag... Ay, ako ang family ko pala. Nagtago kasi ako dito. Thank you, mga anak ko, mga apo ko. Grabe ang mga support nila sa akin. Alam ko na medyo makulit si mama. Alam ko na boyfriend. Tapos nabaliktad mo talaga yung mundo. Dati ako nagsasabi na saan ka. Ngayon iba na, tatawagan ako, saan ka man. Basta mga 9, mga 10 o'clock, wala pa ako sa bahay, nakitawag na yan sila sa akin. Saan ka man? Baliktad na ngayon ang mundo. Ako ang ano nila ngayon, dalaga. Thank you Yan. Thank you Mark, Alvin, Bulak, mga apo ko, Alexis, Arias, Kai, at saka yung mga makukulit nandun siguro sa likod. Thank you so much. Thank you for everybody. I love you all.
I love you too, and we love you too.
It's